Microsoft Teams is replacing Skype for Business, helping businesses all over the world to collaborate more effectively and turbocharge productivity. Here's how one business is getting the most out of the transition, with superior sound and great user experience with Jabra solutions. Julie, a sales exec, works in noisy environments, is always on the move, and would wear her Evolve 75E headset 24/7 if you let her. She makes the most out of calls on Teams with active noise cancellation on her headset while she preps for her next meeting. Back in the relative calm of the IT department, Nick, the IT manager, is always using Teams to connect with colleagues around the world. Often sharing his plans and screens, he chooses an Evolve 75 wireless headset with ANC to enable him to be available even when moving around the noisy office. David is the finance manager. Over at his desk, he's using Teams on his Surface to present the quarterly business review. Dedicated to delivering his message with clarity, he uses a premium Evolve 80 corded headset with ANC for maximum comfort. Meanwhile, senior executive Tony works and makes decisions fast, moving from office to office and device to device. On a Teams call at the airport, he's opting for the Evolve 65T with superior sound, style, and multiple device connectivity on the go. Sarah, the company's marketing director, is multitasking on a marketing campaign from home, on a call with her agency, and reviewing documents on Teams. The Speak 710, a premium portable speakerphone, is the perfect solution to conduct clear conversations while collaborating online. Jabra, helping you to transition to Microsoft Teams with superior audio solutions.